Meaning of mark.
Mark. Mark.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A small area on a surface, especially a scratch, cut, or stain. 2. A visible impression or sign, especially a distinctive feature or characteristic. 3. A target or goal, especially one to be achieved or exceeded. 4. A grade or score, especially one given to a student's work. Examples. 1. The mark on the wall was a reminder of the party last night. 2. Her bright smile was her most distinctive mark. Verb. Definitions. 1. To make a visible impression or sign on a surface. 2. To notice or pay attention to something. 3. To set or assign a grade or score to a student's work. Examples. 1. The rain marked the pavement with deep puddles. 2. She marked the passage in her book with a piece of paper. Preposition. Definitions. 1. Used to indicate a boundary or limit. Examples. 1. The sign marked the boundary of the national park.
Mark. Mark.